So welcome to our brand new video. In this video I will show you how you can do survey jobs for CPM marketing. And for promoting survey offers, they are very hard to get leads and sales. Okay, and some people doesn't fill up the surveys. Okay, and some people get on the landing page and get back to their work. They want to fill any type of surveys. So for this website I will show you a simple hack for get, get organic surveys from targeted audience. So at first what you have to do, that you have to go on fiverr.com. Okay, after getting on fiverr.com, before working, then we have to get on our CPABuild dashboard. Then on the offer tool option, my offers, then select all of United States. Okay, now search offer related to service. Okay, so this is showing that they don't have any survey offers. So actually, if you don't know what is surveys, then check that this is look like this. They collect information from audience they want to target. Okay, so surveys are look like this. They have to choice and they will ask a question and you have to choose a answer. Okay, then click on submit. Okay, the surveys are like this. Okay, so on this option we have to fill up surveys. So there is no surveys. Now I will select all countries. It's taking load. So I see you the main thing. We have to come on here and search I will fill online service. Then search for online service, then click on the seller details. Okay, after clicking on seller details, you have to choose the offer location, the audience location we want to get that. Then suppose you have to promote your service only in United States. Okay, then apply. Okay, now you can see there is some offer. Some people they want to fill up the service. Okay, you have to contact with them, and in the seller details we have selected United States. So only United States based sellers are available at here. So you can see that this this person, I will do service and fill something here. They have write it mistakenly. So you have to contact with them and tell them verify, do this service and make the lead. Then you have to pay $10 to them. You have to give more than 1 to 10 offers they have to fill up. uh, First click at the, I show you this offer, then click on continue or contact the seller. Okay, you have to, I need to join on Fiverr because I haven't signed into my account. So continue $10. Then there will be a box to show you. You have to do that, send them a message like this, that I will give you $10. You have to do 10 of fill up 10 service for us. Okay, and they will contact you and you can get more leads. Okay, and other, there's many type website like Fiverr there. So there is only limited number of people they are promoting this gigs. and working on these gigs. So you have to target any other countries, like there is some options you can see. They are able to work this type of website. Okay, now this is a person. I will fill service and online forms. You can contact her, and this person is from another country, so we have to target that country and contact with, like this person is now in online. He is members in June 2022. Okay, he doesn't have any sales, so if you give him a sale offer, then he will be absolutely be happy. And if you contact him, so I have to sign into my account. So now I am logging to my account. Now click on contact me. Then you can ask him some question that I will I will give you 10 survey survey job you have to complete. Then I will give you $1 for every service. So you have to find the survey offers from networks like CPABuild or any other. Okay, there is some offer in survey site, but I don't think this is any survey offers. Okay, you have to find those survey offers from CPA lead or CPA, then give him the message and write, can you do this? Then click on send message. Okay, then they will give the message and reply to your message. So this is the way how you can promote your survey offers for the incentively. So hope you have liked the video, and if you like this video, then subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to subscribe again and again.